Hello guys, welcome back. This is BJ. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find the common multiples of two numbers. So let's get started with these two easy numbers, 5 and 10. So first what you have to do is write the multiples of each of the numbers and then find the common multiple from both from both sets. So what I mean by that. So here we have 5 and 10. You have to write the multiples of 5 and 10. So for 5, we have 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So this is basically just the multiplication table. So 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 2 is 10, 5 times 3 is 15, 5 times 4 is 20, 5 times 5 is 25, and 5 times 6 is 30. Since we are finding the common multiple, you have to write the multiples of each number. So for 5, we have 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, and 5 sixes are 30. So um these are for the first six numbers. So let's do the same for 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 3 is 30, 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 5 is 50, 10 times 6 is 60. So if you know your multiplication table, this shouldn't be hard for you. This should be a piece of cake. So let me just change my color here. So now how do you find the common multiple of these two numbers? You have successfully completed the first step of writing the common multiples of each number 5 and 10. So now you have to see which numbers are in both in 5 and also in 10. So we have 5 and 5, but do we have 5 and 10? No. So it's not a common multiple. If you have a 10 and 5, we also have a 10 and 10. So yes, this is a common multiple. Let me just put a check mark. We have a 15 in 5. We don't have a 15 in 10. So no. We have a 20 in 5. We have a 20 in 10. Yes. We have a 25 in 5. We don't have a 25 in 10. So nope. We have a 30 in 5. And also we have a 30 in 10. So yes. So we have three common multiples, which are 10, 20, and 30. So you have successfully completed this problem. So what I did was I took the numbers which are in both sets, which are in 5 and also in 10, and I chose that number as my common multiple for these two sets, which are for 5 and 10. Let me show you one other example with a different number. This is very easy. All you need is just practice these types of problems. So let's say we have numbers of 6 and probably 8. Easy numbers. So again, you just follow the same exact step. You just write your multiplication table. So let's write the first 7 terms. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 7 is 42. And 6 times 8 is 54. So these are the first 8. These are for the first 8 numbers. We went from 6 to 54. Now for 8. 8 ones are 8, which is 8 times 1. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. 8 6 are 48, 8 7s are 56, and 8 8s are 64. So we have the first 8 terms for both 6 and 8. So again, to find the common multiple, you see which numbers are in both cases. 6 is in 6, but 6 is not in 8, so no. I write common multiple here. 12 is in 6, 12 is not in 8, so no. 18 is in 6, 18 is not in 8, no. 24 is in 6, and 24 is also in 8. We found our first number, 24. 30 is in 6, 30 is not in 8, so no. 36, no. 36 is in 6, but not in 8. 42, no. 42 is in 6, but not in 8. 54, no. 54 is in 6, but not in 8. So, and then the rest, you don't find these numbers in here and these numbers in here. So, the only common multiple with the first 8 terms written down, you can find this 24. This is correct. This is the only number. So, if you see, you have your first 8 terms here and your first 8 terms here. If you compare them, the only number that is in both of these numbers, 6 and 8, is 24. So your common multiple for this problem here is 24. So in my next video, I'll show you how to find the common factors of two numbers. So for now, thank you for watching my video.